Hi everyone, Miss Amanda from Farm Friends. We are at the Happy Horse, bringing you your Friday fun fact about sheep. If you notice, Mama Sheep is chewing, but she's not eating, while the babies nap. Sheep and cows and some other animals have different chambers to their stomach, so they'll actually eat their breakfast, chew it, swallow it, and then they bring it back up and chew it again, and then they finish digesting it. It's called chewing their cud. So if you ever pass a cow out in a field that's not necessarily eating, but it is chewing, that's what they're doing. It almost looks like she's chewing gum, but she's not. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.